Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft 365 affiliate marketing with lead magnets step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft 365 affiliate marketing with lead magnets, start by signing up for the Microsoft 365 affiliate program. Visit the Microsoft affiliate program website and create an account. Fill out the necessary information and submit your application for approval. Once approved, access your affiliate dashboard to obtain your unique affiliate links. Next, identify your target audience and their needs regarding Microsoft 365. Create a lead magnet tailored to this audience. This could be an ebook, a checklist, or a video tutorial showcasing Microsoft 365 benefits. Make sure your lead magnet provides real value and addresses specific pain points. Design a landing page to offer your lead magnet in exchange for email addresses. Integrate your affiliate link to Microsoft 365 on this landing page. Promote your lead magnet through various channels, like social media, blogs, or email newsletters. Use eye-catching graphics and compelling headlines to attract visitors. Once visitors download your lead magnet, follow up with a thank you email containing your affiliate link. Provide additional content in your follow-up emails to nurture these leads. Monitor the performance of your lead magnet and conversion rates. Use analytics tools to track how many leads convert into Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Refine your strategy based on the data collected to optimize for better results. Continue to create fresh and engaging lead magnets to keep your audience interested in Microsoft 365 offers. Consistently revisit and update your content to ensure it remains relevant and valuable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.